what's up guys? I want to begin by talking about the most significant place for the whole of mankind on this planet. This is the place on the entire planet where the first ever tetrapod, that is a four-legged animal, first stepped foot on land. This is it. It happened right here. And this is the Valentia Island in Ireland. The impressions on the rocks below are footprints of one of the first animals to walk on dry land. Now I can't really say why they decided to move to land, because it seems the ocean is good, although not anymore, because back then plastic was not a problem. I think they just got, attracted to the vegetation. I know what you're thinking, it doesn't look like much, but when I come across something like this, which is so significant and important, I have to say it. I'm not sure why they're not preserving it. It's supposed to be a World Heritage Site. I mean, it's important for all of mankind, it's not just for Ireland. Anyway, it was worth it just for the view. Oh, gorgeous. To give you a little perspective, that behind me is the mainland. It's County Kerry, and ironically County Kerry also happens to be the first place where men landed in Ireland. Civilization in Ireland started from this part of the country. Now the other side of the water is also the place where I've been laying low for the past few days. I'm not sure if you guys know, I have mentioned this before I think, but I've been living out of a suitcase since October last year. So this time I decided maybe I should just go to a place that I've never been before and just enjoy the beauty and nature, especially because it's summer, because this weather won't stay forever, so I wanted to make the most of it. What can beat that view? But it's not just about a nature spot. This is a very significant place once again. Whew. It's a bit too windy today. I'll try to subtitle this video. So I was saying that the first ever transatlantic cable was laid down back in 1866, and there is a signal tower located right here on this mountain, which is where I'm hiking right now. Look at the views. That right there is called Horse Island, and that is called as Long Island. See guys, that's how long I have to go. Now those two islands are again very significant because an ancient civilization landed onto them. They still have their remains of their houses and things like that back there. So I'll be taking a trip there someday. The area is also very famous in Hollywood movies, but all of that for the next video. That's the signal station, and I have walked all the way from somewhere there. I mean, this road turns like that, and then there's the parking lot. Wow, it is totally worth it. Hiking for about 2 kilometers, totally worth it. It's very windy, I better get down. I feel cold. And now let me just show you where I'm living. That's my room. Ta-da! Strawberry. So this path leads to the strand, to the water. Now you know why this place is awesome. So I'm paying about 35 euros a night. Yeah, so it's per nightly. Yeah, I mean 400, 500 euros for a long couple of weeks stay. That's not bad enough. How's that for a private beach? Well, I'm in the town now, town known as Portmagee. There's a history attached with this place as well. It seems every place I'm visiting here has some significance. So I've ran into a little problem. There are only 3 restaurants in the town. One of them is closed, so it's just 2 that have their kitchen open, and none of them are serving food today. Alright guys, I think I should stop recording now, because if I don't, then I think I can keep recording until I go to sleep, because there's so much around this place and everything is just so beautiful. I got myself a fish burger. Yesterday I went to some other town called Kärsiviin, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. They have everything there. I had nice Goan fish curry there yesterday, but today I thought I'll go to Portmagee to, you know, show you guys how a village is and all. Didn't go well, so I had to just order myself a fish burger, but that's all right. Well, I want to now catch up on the game. Portugal is playing Belgium today, so yeah, I'll get onto that. You guys take care of yourself, and yeah, bye bye.